Hey, it's Kurt with LifterLMS, and this is starting to get exciting because in this lesson, we're going to set up WordPress in a self-hosted environment. Now, in order to not put the spotlight on any one provider, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to LifterLMS recommended resources, and I'm going to take you right to the list of hosting that we recommend. So if you go to lifterlms.com/recommended resources, you're going to pull up this list and it's going to give you a list of our preferred hosts. And each one does something a little bit different as far as loading WordPress into your hosting account. So pick the host that makes the most sense to you or that's going to meet your requirements the best. Now, from there, you're going to be able to get that installation of WordPress done. And once that installation of WordPress is done, you should have something that pops up that looks a little something like this. This is the back end of a blank WordPress installation. And if we wanted to kind of take a look at what that blank website would look like, well, that would just be this right here. This is the WordPress 2024 theme that had just rolled out. And I wanted to kind of give you a glimpse right there. As you can see, once you load WordPress, you already have a working example of a website. And now our task would be to go in and change text, features, assets, and add tools that make sense for us to build out a message that we want in our site. So folks, stick with me through the next lessons, and we're going to take a look at what makes this WordPress site a unique thing to build on.